This is our smoky garlic hummus. It is oil-free, gluten-free, and vegan, and it's delicious. Alright, today we are making hummus, and this is kind of a variation of the Krocks in the kitchen's hummus, and some we've seen all around the internet. But we decided to make it a lot lower fat, so we use a lot less tahini. And you don't even need tahini, but it doesn't come out right. Like it's not as smooth. So anyway, we're putting this all together. You drained off the aqua fava on the chickpeas, right?
Yep.
And is there anything else they need to know before we start?
No, that's about it.
And we have dogs in the kitchen.
2 cans of garbanzo beans drained.
Okay. 2 cans or cups?
Cans.
Okay.
1 cup of aqua fava.
Got it.
3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. 4 tablespoons of tahini.
Now we cut that down to 2, right?
Yep.
2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of paprika smoked. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. And 4 to 8 cloves of garlic.
All right. And how you'd say we usually go pretty garlicky, so.
Yeah, I usually use like 5, depending on the size.
Got it. All right, thanks. All right, so this is pretty super easy. You just throw everything in at once and blend it. You don't have to do it in stages. One big tip we have is if you have a Nutrimilk machine or some sort of nut butter machine, you're going to get a much smoother hummus. This is the way we get it so it's not gritty. When we did it in the food processor or the blender, it'll come out a little gritty. It's still real good. Tastes same, but just texture-wise, it's not as smooth. So if you have one of these hanging out, this is the time to bust it out and use it. And how long do you go? Do you blend it probably about a minute or 2?
I'm not really sure. It's been different every time. Like I've had to blend it for like 5 or 6 minutes a couple different times.
Okay, so we'll film that to give you an idea what it looks like. All right, so that's it coming out in the jar. So one of the sneaky ways we make sure we get everything is to use this jar spatula. It's actually awesome. We can link it on Amazon, but where it really comes in is for blenders when you can't get the blades out.
Blenders and jars.
So we will put the affiliate link below. And that's kind of the consistency you're looking for, right?
Yep, it can be a little thicker than this. This one's a little runnier, but...
So that's the deal with the tahini. That if you put a lot of tahini in, it's less gritty. But if you try to, because the tahini is where all the fat is and the calories, so if you go easy on that, then it comes out a little grittier, but it tastes the same. So this is about how much it makes. Most of the time we use our hummus just to top our bean burgers. And we then also add some seasoning and broccoli sprouts that we grow, and we have videos on all this stuff. We'll learn how to make it, and they are delicious. But of course you can use this hummus for anything you want, and obviously you can modify it for anything you want. This one's mildly garlicky, and I love it. It comes out so good. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to check out our Telegram group. We have special things in our group, and it's a free group. So just go on over to Telegrams and check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, follow, or save if you're over at Pinterest or something. We appreciate you guys so much, and enjoy this hummus.